Alright, so I sprayed these brake lines down with some simple green, trying to get them cleaned up a little bit. They're pretty gross. Tony, can you come over here and spray simple green for me? Shut that thing off.
Okay. I can do both.
That's amazing. I'm not even mad.
I'm trying to spray at the right frequency. Oh no! Varying frequency.
Hopefully, I can continue this attention to detail throughout this car, and it'll come out nice. So what I've done here is I've just scuffed this piece down with some Scotch-Brite pad just to knock any loose stuff off of it. I'm going to now treat it with metal prep for the Port 15 paint that goes on afterwards. So that prep should take care of any other issues that are going on here. So it says to let this stuff soak on here for like 15 minutes and then wipe it all down. So that's what I'm going to do. It says to rinse this stuff off with water. So I'm just going to wipe it off with water on this paper towel. I think when I used this to prep the roof of my car, I think I just wiped it off with a towel. I can see that the material actually does look different after being treated with the metal prep product. If you're wondering, yes, I would have loved to powder coat this, but it won't fit in my powder coating oven, and man, sometimes it's just better keeping things in-house, you know? You never know what happens. They end up with the part longer than you expected, your timeline gets pushed back, which I certainly don't need. So, 415 leaves a pretty nice finish that lasts a long time. That's what I'm going to go with. I was able to powder coat the control arms because they're small enough to fit in my oven. And man, do they look good. I cleaned these brake and fuel line brackets up the best I could. Ended up just painting them because if I tried to separate them, they're pretty brittle, the plastic part, and it would break like this one. So I just went with some quick spray paint just to pretty them up.
Here we have the majestic Dobuchi creature in his natural habitat. Crikey, it's a big one. Oh. He's baring his teeth. He could be territorial. We are underneath his very own den.
We're under here installing this gigantic hose pipe. Isn't that what people like in Tennessee call like a garden hose? I heard that.
Maybe.
Anyway, this giant hose pipe right here is my fuel feed line. It's 5/8, which is equal to a 10 AN. It's definitely overkill for what I'm doing, but I won't ever have to upgrade it, so that's why I'm going with it. I'm gonna get it tucked up here, you know, nice and out of the way, using these cushion clamps, and then I'm gonna move to the other side where I'm gonna put a 5/8 return as well, along with the brake lines that need to go along that frame rail. Here we're reinstalling the brake lines, and we've modified the brake line brackets so that we can hopefully use those brackets for the fuel line as well, as you can see right there. You got that side?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so there you go, people. See? Special anti-seize for titanium hardware.
Very coppery.
Yeah, alright. You want to do the same one here, right? Alright. Now I need to get, I need a bolt that's too short. It's too short? Yep. This is how the manual steering rack mounts on the Hollands Performance tubular K-member. I got it mounted in there, and I just went ahead and installed the tie rod ends.
Put cheese on it.